I'm Jen Cesario, and welcome to my latest trade in the heart of Carmel by the Sea on Santa Fe. Come in and check it out. This home is a quintessential Carmel cottage with 3 beds, 2 baths, and a beautiful renovated kitchen. It's truly such a treat. Just under 1,600 square feet and built in 2010, this craftsman home is simply beautiful. The details of this home are unbeatable, but what also is unbeatable is where it is located, right next to downtown and also on a quiet cul-de-sac. This home has so much to offer, and I can't wait for my client to start her life here. If you have any questions about this home or any of the other homes in Carmel by the Sea and are looking to purchase, give me a call.